Good day everyone and welcome to my channel. You're on to Farm Fresh, PH Farm Fresh YouTube channel. So today is the first day. Our chicks just arrived, newly hatched from the hatchery, doing very well. We have about 300 of them here. So we have the lights to keep them warm. The doors and windows are closed. Right here is our water. We have glucose in it, like anti-stress. The first day you have to give them glucose and food, and you have to keep them warm. Keep them warm. Make sure their pen house is warm so they can play around and eat and rest a lot. So on this channel you get to learn how to ABCs of how to raise your birds, how to raise healthy broilers, ABCs on how to raise healthy broilers. So welcome to my channel.